So in this user story, I'm going to tell you how to expose Salesforce REST API. Here, for an external party to create leads. So these are the steps which involved in exposing a Salesforce REST API. So let's get into each one in detail. So as a first step, I have created a Apex class. Here I have mentioned URL mapping as lead create. So this is part of our endpoint. And then I have a class API class 1 and made it global, both class as well as method. DoPost is my method. And then I have defined the parameters. So here I have request and response objects, and then I'm trying to get value from the request body and putting into JSON parser, and then I'm iterating the JSON and trying to get first name, last name, company, and then creating a lead. And once I insert, after I'm returning a record ID. So as step 2, creating connected app. So you need to create a connected app. So I have given the connected app name and then selected OAuth, and then I have given callback URL. So this is a callback URL, and then in scopes I have selected 2: access and manage your data and perform request on your behalf anytime. So once you do it, once you save that, you'll get a consumer key and consumer secret. So these are going to be our client ID and client secret for our Postman parameters. In step 3, we need to get authorization key. As a first step, we need to enter the URL like login.salesforce.com/services/OAuth2/token. So this is the URL to get the authorization key. So in the body, I'm sending 5 parameters. The grant type, it's a free text. Basically, I entered static password, and then I have a client ID is nothing but consumer key, which we got it from our connected app. So similarly, client secret is a consumer secret, we got it from connected app. And then username is the Salesforce login username, and password is Salesforce org login password plus secret key. So secret key you need to reset, and you'll get a secret key to your email ID. And then once I submit, I'll get a authorization key from the Salesforce. So now I need to invoke Salesforce REST API in step 4. So this is a URL. Again, it's a your Salesforce org URL ap15.salesforce.com/services/apexrest/lead create. Lead create is the URL mapping what we seen. And in authorizations, I selected OAuth2, and header I'm selected bearer plus space plus authorization key, which is generated in the earlier call. And then application type, I mentioned JSON. In raw, I'm sending JSON data, first name, last name, company. And then click on send. So you'll get a response. So this is basically lead been created, and this is a record ID. So I'll go back to Salesforce application and I'll verify whether the record has been created or not. If you can see here, so John Carter is the data which I sent, I have created.